This slide introduces our comprehensive training program for the PECB ISO 27001 Lead Implementer Certification. This course is essential for professionals responsible for overseeing an organization's Information Security Management System, or ISMS. It provides in-depth knowledge and practical skills required to implement and manage an ISMS effectively, ensuring your organization meets international security standards. This course is designed for a diverse group of professionals who play critical roles in managing and securing an organization's information systems. Our primary audience includes information security managers who are responsible for maintaining and improving the security posture of their organizations. Compliance officers who ensure that regulatory and internal policies are adhered to will also find this course invaluable. IT managers tasked with overseeing technology infrastructure will gain essential insights into integrating security into their workflows. Risk managers who identify and mitigate potential threats will benefit from enhanced strategies for risk management within an ISMS framework. Additionally, any professional involved in implementing, managing, or auditing an information security management system, ISMS, will find this training essential for their career advancement. Our course objectives are designed to equip you with comprehensive knowledge and practical skills. By the end of this course, you will have a deep understanding of ISO 27001 requirements and how to effectively implement and manage an information security management system, ISMS. You will acquire practical skills for conducting audits, managing risks, and ensuring compliance. This course aims to empower you with the expertise needed to strengthen your organization's information security posture. In this slide, we'll be delving into the fundamentals of ISO 27001. First and foremost, what is ISO 27001? IEC 27001 is an international standard that outlines the requirements for an information security management system, or ISMS. This standard provides a systematic approach for managing sensitive company information so that it remains secure. Specifically, ISO 27001 lays down the criteria for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving an ISMS. By following these specifications, organizations can effectively manage and protect their data, mitigate risks, and ensure compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Understanding these foundational aspects of ISO 27001 sets the stage for mastering its implementation and management in an organizational setting. On this slide, we will explore the core elements of ISO 27001, which are essential for managing information security within an organization. First, we have the context of the organization. This involves understanding both internal and external issues that can affect your information security management system, ISMS. Next is leadership, highlighting the crucial role of top management in establishing and maintaining the ISMS. They set the direction and provide the necessary support. Planning involves risk assessment and treatment, ensuring that potential risks to information security are identified and mitigated effectively. Support refers to the resources, skills, and training required to implement and maintain the ISMS. It ensures that everyone involved is equipped to uphold the security measures. Operation focuses on planning and controlling the security measures to ensure they are effectively implemented and maintained. Performance evaluation deals with monitoring and analyzing the results of your ISMS to ensure it is functioning correctly and efficiently. Lastly, improvement encompasses the continuous improvement processes to ensure the ISMS evolves and adapts to new threats and changes within the organization. These core elements collectively help in creating a robust information security management system as defined by ISO 27001. The benefits of ISO 27001 certification are extensive and serve multiple facets of an organization. Firstly, it significantly enhances information security across the entire organization, providing robust measures to safeguard against potential threats. This certification reduces the risk of data breaches and cyber attacks, thereby protecting critical and sensitive information. One of the most compelling advantages is that it builds customer trust and confidence. Clients value the commitment to security and are more likely to engage with a company that prioritizes safeguarding their data. Lastly, ISO 27001 certification helps improve compliance with various regulations, ensuring that the organization meets the required legal and regulatory standards. Let's delve into the initial steps of implementing an information security management system, ISMS. To set a solid foundation, start by identifying the scope of your ISMS. This involves determining the boundaries and applicability of the system concerning your organization's information security. Next, it's essential to define an ISMS policy. This policy should outline the overarching principles and direction for managing information security within the organization. Following this, establish clear and measurable ISMS objectives that align with your information security goals. Finally, it's crucial to allocate specific roles and responsibilities to ensure that there is accountability and clarity in who is responsible for various aspects of the ISMS. By following these steps, you lay the groundwork for a robust and effective information security management system. Understanding the context of the organization is a crucial step in implementing an information security management system, or ISMS. Clause 4 emphasizes the importance of identifying both internal and external issues that could impact your ISMS. This involves a thorough analysis of organizational factors, market conditions, regulatory environment, and other relevant aspects that could influence your information security. In addition to this, it's essential to understand the needs and expectations of all interested parties, which may include customers, regulatory bodies, employees, and business partners. This understanding ensures that your ISMS is aligned with the broader ecosystem in which your organization operates. Once you have gathered this valuable information, you can move on to defining the precise scope of your ISMS. Clearly, delineating the scope ensures that all relevant areas and aspects of your organization are covered, helping to facilitate a more effective and focused implementation. These steps lay a comprehensive groundwork, enabling your ISMS to be both robust and relevant to your specific organizational context. Now let's focus on Clause 5, which emphasizes the crucial role of leadership in the Information Security Management System, ISMS. Leadership involvement is essential to ensure that the ISMS objectives are in line with the overall business strategy. This alignment helps embed information security into the organization's core values and operations. Leadership also has the responsibility to promote continual improvement within the ISMS. This involves routinely evaluating and enhancing the security measures and protocols to adapt to new threats and opportunities. Additionally, it is the leadership's duty to assign key roles and responsibilities throughout the organization to ensure that the ISMS is effectively implemented and maintained. A practical tip to foster leadership engagement is to keep senior management informed with regular updates. This not only ensures their commitment, but also provides transparency and accountability in the ISMS activities. In this section, we'll focus on Clause 6, planning, specifically on risk assessment and treatment in ISO 27001. Risk management is a critical component of your Information Security Management System, ISMS. Firstly, you'll need to identify risks to information security. This involves looking at potential threats and vulnerabilities that could affect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your information. Once you've identified the risks, the next step is to evaluate them based on their likelihood and impact. This evaluation helps in prioritizing which risks need immediate attention and resources. After evaluating the risks, you'll need to select appropriate risk treatment options. This could include risk avoidance, risk mitigation, risk acceptance, or risk transfer. Your choice of treatment will depend on the specific context and the level of risk your organization is willing to tolerate. Practical tip: engage your senior management throughout this process. Regular updates and clear communication will ensure they are aware of the risks and the steps being taken to manage them, which is crucial for gaining their support and resources needed for effective risk management. On this slide, we delve into common risk assessment methods used within the framework of ISO 27001. There are two primary approaches, qualitative and quantitative. The qualitative approach involves scenario-based analysis. Here, we consider potential scenarios and assess the impact and likelihood of various risks based on subjective criteria. This method is beneficial for understanding complex risks that might be difficult to quantify. On the other hand, the quantitative approach uses numerical values and metrics to evaluate risks. This method provides a more objective and measurable assessment, often employing statistical models to forecast risk levels. For practical implementation, tools like CRAM, CCTA Risk Analysis and Management Method, or OTAVE, Operationally Critical Threat, Asset, and Vulnerability Evaluation, can be utilized to perform these assessments effectively. These tools help streamline the risk assessment process, ensuring comprehensive and methodical evaluation. In this slide, we delve into the risk treatment plan. This critical step involves deciding how to handle identified risks. There are 4 main actions you can take: accept the risk, avoid the risk, transfer the risk, or mitigate the risk. To give a practical example, consider using tools like Nmap for vulnerability scanning. You can use the command nmap-sv192.168.1./24 to scan a network for vulnerabilities. Another tool, crackmapexec, can be used specifically to identify SMB vulnerabilities with the command crackmapexec SMB 192.168.1024. By implementing these tools, you can effectively mitigate the risks identified during the risk assessment phase. In this slide, we'll delve into performance evaluation, focusing on monitoring and measurement. According to Clause 9, it's essential to establish metrics to evaluate the effectiveness of your ISMS controls. This involves regularly conducting internal audits to ensure your information security measures are functioning as intended. To facilitate this process, you can utilize tools like SIEM, Security Information and Event Management solutions. Popular options include Splunk or the ELK stack, which can help you monitor and measure various security events and metrics. By leveraging these tools, you can gain valuable insights into the performance of your security controls and make data-driven decisions to strengthen your overall security posture. Internal audits play a crucial role in ensuring your Information Security Management System, or ISMS, complies with ISO 27001 standards, while also identifying areas where improvements can be made. To achieve this, it's important to schedule audits periodically, ensuring they are consistent and thorough. Using checklists based on control objectives can help structure these audits and ensure all critical areas are reviewed. A real-world example of this practice is conducting audits biannually. This strategy can effectively pinpoint weaknesses and areas that need enhancement, thereby maintaining a robust and compliant security posture. Now let's discuss continual improvement, specifically focusing on Clause 10, improvement. The primary areas of focus here are addressing nonconformities, implementing corrective actions, and documenting improvements. For instance, in the aftermath of a security breach, conducting a thorough post-breach analysis and making necessary system modifications are crucial steps. This not only rectifies vulnerabilities, but also strengthens your Information Security Management System, ISMS, against future threats. Documenting these improvements ensures a clear record of the process and supports ongoing compliance and enhancement efforts. In this final segment, let's recap the critical points we've discussed throughout this course. Firstly, we've highlighted the importance of a robust Information Security Management System, ISMS. A resilient ISMS is integral to safeguarding organizational assets and ensuring data integrity and confidentiality. Secondly, we emphasize the critical role of leadership in the success of an ISMS. Leaders must actively support and commit to the ISMS framework to set a tone of security culture within the organization. Lastly, continuous monitoring and improvement are paramount. Regularly reviewing and refining the ISMS helps to address nonconformities effectively, implement necessary corrective actions, and document improvements as part of a dynamic and responsive security strategy. These key points collectively underscore the proactive stance needed for effective information security management. In this slide, we present our final thoughts and recommendations for moving forward with your Information Security Management System, ISMS. It's crucial to regularly update your ISMS policies and procedures to ensure they remain effective and relevant. Staying informed about new security threats and vulnerabilities is equally important, as the landscape of cybersecurity is continuously evolving. Engaging in continual professional development will help you and your team maintain a high level of competence and readiness to adapt to new challenges. These steps are essential for ensuring the longevity and effectiveness of your ISMS. In this slide, we're covering some important references and further reading materials that will deepen your understanding of Information Security Management Systems, ISMS. For books, I highly recommend ISO27001 Lead Implementer by Alan Calder, which provides in-depth knowledge on implementing ISO 27001 standards. Another valuable resource is Information Security Risk Management for ISO 27001's ISO 27002, also by Alan Calder. These books are excellent for anyone responsible for or involved in information security. In addition to books, there are several websites that are essential for staying updated on best practices. ISO.org offers a wealth of information on standards and certifications, while NIST.gov provides guidelines, frameworks, and updates on security threats and vulnerabilities. These resources will be instrumental as you move forward in continually improving and updating your ISMS policies and procedures. Thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed the content of this course, please leave a like and let us know your thoughts by commenting below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more valuable information and share this material with your friends and colleagues who might benefit from it. Your support helps us continue to provide high-quality educational content.